Thank you so much.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate Dinas on this wonderful initiative. I think overall, over the years, she's been the pioneer in fitness, and also the need for fitness to be proactive, to be more fun, and she's found new ways of finding achievements in routine things. I think not routine, I would say, is people doing aerobics for 26 hours. I think routine, yes, to do exercise in a room for half an hour or an hour, but not for 26 hours. She's taken things out of the ordinary and made them made some extraordinary feats in the past. And sure, this is one of such wonderful events which has come out. And as a normal person, you would want to be part of something which is great, and I'm sure this is one wonderful way of being that. I think it's a great initiative, and congratulations on this thing. And I'm sure a lot of people would want to come, and I would urge more and more people to come, because the statistics of the numbers going to gyms and doing fitness are not very encouraging, and this statistics of the diabetes and the heart problems are also not very encouraging. It's not very good for young India to be sick. I think that's the last thing we all want, because we all say we are all proud that this nation is young, but imagine a young India which is not healthy and who's unfit and obese. I think that's the last thing we all want. I've said this a couple of times that in an age where a lot of the times issues which are not sensational are not covered, I think achievements which are not extraordinary are not covered. It's really important that grassroots level programs for fitness, for encouraging people to stay fit and children to get out and do physical exercise is very, very important. It's very important that we motivate people to do it. It's not going to come from, unfortunately, the corporates so much, because I somehow find the corporates still looking at corporate social responsibility, and poverty and education still seem to be the things which are on their mind, but they're really not looking at fitness as one of their primary objects, and it needs to be addressed. I think it's very important that fitness and sport is something which is very crucial for the development of India, and I think it's very important that corporates look at it. Politicians won't say it unless, because it's not a vote bringing thing, so neither in parliament nor in assembly we get any discussions on fitness and health and sport. So unfortunately it doesn't happen. It has to come from initiatives like these, and I'm sure that more and more people will get encouraged by this great work which Dinas is doing, and I hope that in the years to come we'll see a real change, and we'll see a young India which is also fit. I'd like to thank Dinas for bringing us here, and thank you very much.